us presents,
I don't
Carlo.
know.
My note says, Mom, happy early Christmas. I asked the lady to help me get you this present. I thought you would look very nice in this for your singing times. It's very beautiful, just like you.
Wow.
I love you and thank you for bringing Joni and me home. Love, Maud, Buckshot Shorty, Sharp. Oh,
it's golden.
Maud. It's champagne sparkles.
Mine says this present is for you so you can match Mom during your singing times. And also we hope you have a Merry Christmas. We both love you very much. Love, Maud Sharp and Joni Sharp.
Oh!
Wow!
There's one more present.
There is.
Oh, there is?
On the table.
Oh, what's this?
Ooh.
This is to me from Jonathon. Pick her up, honey. What is this? Joni, that's beautiful. Look at Nathan. You look great. Thanks, honey. We just got all these crazy hats from the dogs.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty festive, right?
I feel great about my hat.
It looks good on you.
Thank you.
Yeah. We're going to sing a song for you on this beautiful Christmas day. It's just a word. It doesn't matter what day it is. Just pick a day to celebrate. If it's not Christmas, that's okay. We're going to sing you a song today, the 25th of December, by Sarah McLachlan, who is an incredible singer and a pretty solid songwriter. And this song is called Wintersong. And I think it's absolutely stunning. I don't feel right wearing a sparkly hat singing it.
Oh.
Maybe we should take our hats off for this song. But we're going to sing for you Sarah McLachlan, Wintersong. Is frozen over. The trees are white with snow, and all around reminders of you are everywhere I go. Ooh, it's late in mornings in no hurry. Sleep won't set me free. I lie awake and try to recall how your body felt beside me. But when the silence gets too hard to handle and the night too long, this is how I see you in the snow on Christmas morning. Love and happiness surround you. I raise my arms up to the sky. I keep this moment by and by. Oh, I miss you now, my love. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, my love. A sense of joy fills the air. I look up and I stare up at the tree and I see your star up there. And this is how I see you in the snow on Christmas morning. Love and happiness surround you. I throw my arms up to the sky. I'll keep this moment by and by. Okay, I got through it without crying, honey.
Woo!
I know. For me, that song first came into my life when my dog George died. And it came on my radio, actual radio at the time. And it just killed me, the beautiful moment of loss where you exult in the creature that you lost. And I think it's such a beautiful song to say, I raise my arms up to the sky. I'll keep this moment by and by. It's very, very beautiful sentiment on a Christmas where some people might be experiencing some of those feelings, and some of us might be just feeling like $1,000,000. But you know what? Everybody's welcome on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, guys. Here's to you. Who's like you? Damn few, and they're all dead. What a year. We just want to thank you guys from the bottoms of our heart for all your beautiful comments and letters and emails and your continued true and fierce support of Dinner Party Tonight. It means the world to us. And we're slowly building, and it's because of you that that's happening. So we thank you guys with sincere gratitude for continuing to support our channel, Dinner Party Tonight. And we hope you have a great holiday season or end of year or whatever you want to call it. But from all of us here at Dinner Party Tonight,
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
And peace to all, light to all, and a lot of love.
Happy holidays from Ohio.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
And have a happy holiday season.
You know what? Happy holidays, everybody.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you so much for watching Dinner Party Tonight.
What? Merry who? Merry what? Oh, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas.
happy holidays. We just got all these crazy hats from the dogs.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty festive, right?
I feel great about my hat.
It looks good on you.
Thank you.
Yeah.